Hey everyone, happy Wednesday and welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got 41 eBay leads for you guys, 37 coming from eBay OA and then 4 coming from our eBay RA. So let's check some of the samples that we got here. From Baby Birds, this Tony Steel that you could buy for 13.49 and sell it for 32.99, almost double its price. And then let's check some more from Beanie Games. Here we got this Tony Steel that you could buy for 12.71 and sell it for 24.72, double its price. And lastly, this 12.71 Tony Steel that you could sell for 26.99, more than double its price. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you guys because we got a lot. Check them all. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options, review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check them out. A bot-operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out, guys, because we got a lot of options for you. There you go. And then another bot operated channel that we got is this Amazon to eBay flipping, wherein you could see all the latest leads and price drops from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay account. So check them out. And lastly, our general community for eBay, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.